It has to be one of the cutest cars I've seen, and it's already sold out. Welcome back. We're here at the Incheon yard at the port of Autowini. Now we have a promotion running right now for people who buy cars from Auctionwini and cars from Autowini. If you're buying cars on our platform right now, with this promotion where during the month of November only, whenever you buy a car, you get a countdown. Count up. So when you buy a car, if you, for example, you buy 3 cars during the month of November, you're gonna get a $300 coupon by the end. You buy 5 cars in Autowini, you're gonna get a $500 coupon. If you buy 10 cars or more, you're gonna get a $1,000 coupon that you're gonna be issued by the end of the month. So by the time November ends, in Auctionwini and Autowini, you can get this coupon for your platform, and it will gonna be ready for December. So you can start already use it for the holiday season with your purchases. So for more information, you can check our website, Autowini and Auctionwini.com. And until next time, thank you.